In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete TikTok Shop account permanently. First, make sure you're on the correct account in the TikTok app, the one linked to your shop. Open the app and head straight to TikTok Shop. Depending on your region or app version, you'll see a dedicated shop tab or a little shopping bag icon on the home screen. Tap that to open the shop area. Once you're inside TikTok Shop, look for your profile area and tap My Account. This is where you manage your seller details and preferences. From there, go into Account Settings. This section holds controls for your shop profile, compliance information, and, for registered sellers, the option to close or delete the shop. If you haven't actually completed shop registration, the delete option won't be visible. That's normal. In that case, there's nothing to delete yet because the seller account isn't fully set up. But if your shop is registered, you should see an option to delete or close your shop within Account Settings. Tap that option to begin the process. Before you finalize anything, pause and make sure you have no pending orders. Pending orders can include new orders waiting to be processed, shipments you haven't fulfilled, returns or exchanges that are still open, and refund requests that haven't been completed. TikTok typically won't allow permanent deletion until all of these are resolved to protect buyers and sellers. It's also a good idea to check for any remaining balance, open disputes, or payouts in progress and clear those up. If you need records for your own bookkeeping, download any invoices or order histories you may want to keep, because deleting your shop can remove access to those tools. When you're ready, tap the delete or close shop option and follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to confirm your decision and possibly verify your identity for security. Read the confirmation message carefully so you understand that this action is permanent. Once you confirm, the system will begin closing your shop. In some cases, it may take a short time to complete, especially if any checks are running in the background. When it's done, you'll see a confirmation within the app. That's it. Open TikTok Shop, go to My Account, enter Account Settings, and if you're a registered seller, select the option to delete your shop. Just be sure there are no pending orders or unresolved issues before you confirm. Thanks for watching, and take your time to review everything so the closure goes smoothly.